Consider facades and stairs, illuminated to provide visibility, safety, even drama. Step and path lighting in any environment can make a stunning difference. Well, as you can see, the addition of light on textured vertical surfaces, even a brick wall, can do wonders. We present Brick Light, our newest addition to our step and wall lighting family. And it's not just a brick light, it's also a companion to our step and pathway lights. Brick Light is a 120-volt luminaire that is available as a horizontal format open lens, louver lens, and in scoop format. Brick Light is a 5-watt 3000K wet location fixture that has no visible mounting hardware and is available in white, black, bronze, and brushed nickel. And Brick Light is so easy to install. Every Brick Light comes with a rough-in housing. The tools that we'll use for today's installation is a keyhole saw, a Phillips screwdriver, the supplied Allen wrench, and any guides that will help you determine placement. Separate the inner core of the gasket from the outer gasket. Align the gasket as shown precisely where you want to install your brick light and outline it. Now install the gasket around the housing by placing the sticky side firmly around the back of the fixture. Using your keyhole or jigsaw, cut through the opening. Pull out 120-volt leads. Connect power to the brick light. White to white, black to black, and green to ground wire in the fixture housing. Secure the rough-in housing by pushing it into the opening and making sure that it's level. Leveling brackets are included with the housing if needed. Install 2 screws on each side through outer flange. Wall anchors may be used if needed. Attach brick light faceplate using set screw and supplied Allen wrench or your own. To install brick light into new construction using hanger bars, consult the instructions included with your brick light. That's all there is to it. One thing to consider when planning your outdoor lighting: no matter if it is residential, hospitality, or commercial, providing light on vertical walls enhances security, provides for pedestrians, determines boundaries, and simply enhances your environment. Brick Light from GM Lighting. You can see other quality GM Lighting outdoor and indoor fixtures on our website at www.gmlighting.net.